So starting off with the box, you do have the Jordan 1 box in this brown and black color scheme. Now the nice thing about these shoes right here is they actually drop the retail down to $150 US. Now I'm just gonna quickly go over this shoe, then we will get into the on foot and lace swap, because I think a lot of people are gonna wanna see that more than just the review. But looking at this colorway, we do have this swampy type of style. So Bayou Boys is based off Louisiana. I don't know too much about it, but obviously you got some swamp type vibes. As you can see, the outer lay is purple in this gator print type of leather. You do have the fabric on the underlays. Now the Nike swoosh is suede as well as the toe box. So black suede on those. You have more of that fabric type material going up the tongue. Zoom Air on this little purple tag. But yeah, they come with black laces already laced up. Then they also have purple and green laces. And I'm gonna throw on some white laces as well in this video, because I think white's gonna look really good on this colorway. Now another cool thing about the shoes is on the back of the tongue, you do have Bayou Boys. I thought that was a really nice touch. Now if I had to give one thing I don't like about this shoe, it would be the slime green outsole. I just think it's a little much. It's super bright. Obviously, not many people are really gonna see the outsole like that, but I don't know, I'm just not a huge fan. Now the shoe does have some resale value. It's going for about 25 over retail, which I think is just gonna keep going up. I can see this shoe having similar potential as the Racer Blues. I'm really thinking we're just waiting on a celebrity or someone like that to wear this shoe. So I see the shoe possibly getting up to that $250, maybe $300 price range within the next 6 months. Now obviously I could be way off and the shoe could just tank and go below retail. It's really hard to tell with these Zoom colorways. Let's look at the lace swap video. Check these out on feet.
Yo, I just fuck your bitch. I just swish. Swish. How I blast off. Scoring, give me mega brain. Feel like Mega Man brace. Sway when I'm switching lanes. Air got some range. Ain't no armor but this camel bed. Navy all terrain, we in the drop. So I hopped out, pouring like the rain. Nazi gas and be that super straight. Like who gon' die today? My money always banging crib. Blue shirts made of strip. Don't see no doctor when I'm sick. I need a boat that ain't gon' flip. Watch me swing her on my wrist. You see the diamonds in it. I was a young nigga, I ain't had shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. I was a young nigga, I ain't had shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. She give me top and I feel like a pro. The way you be riding me, I cannot go. Little nigga and he carry the ball. Big 40 and it blowing your.
Damn. There you guys have it. Let me know which laces you like the best. What did you think about the shoe on feet? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
If you wanna know about me, fuck a nigga bitch up 40 OZ. Shit, I keep it low key.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.